Hello, this is for question number 28 on Module 6 homework for my Nova Online Math 245 students. So let's see. Find the critical value. Now what does that mean, right? That critical value are these special numbers on this number line that separates what we consider to be likely to what we consider to be unlikely. So what do they consider to be likely versus unlikely this time? Look at this for me. Two-tail test. So when we do two-tail test, what's likely to happen will be in the middle, okay? And if it's on the right extreme and the left extreme, those will be considered unlikely. And if you look at the alpha level, 0.10, what we are saying is we want 90% in the middle and 10% on the right or left extreme. It's much easier if you actually see a picture. So I will open up a picture, but are we working with normal distribution or t distribution? Oh, they did say t distribution. I guess you guys can use this. Yeah, definitely. But I'm going to go ahead and show you in a picture. Okay, so let me open up StatCrunch. Oh, sorry, this is the first one I'm doing today, so I have to log into StatCrunch. 1 second. And if you ever need an extension on the quiz, because I want you to take your quiz when you are ready for it, and sometimes I can't answer all of your questions before, so if you need an extension on any of your assignment, you just please email me. We can do that. All right, let's see. I will open up t distribution, okay? Stat, calculators, and t. I want to stat, calculators, and t. And I'm going to click on between for the two-sided test. If you're doing one-sided test, for example, left tail test or right tail test, you will keep it in standard. But what I want is in the middle, you see how it is shaded in red? I want that to be 90% in the middle because they said alpha is 10%. 10% divided in this white region and the left white region. But what's this DF? DF stands for degrees of freedom. It's always one less than the sample size. Look, sample size is 28, so degrees of freedom is 27. Now, get rid of these numbers in this box, okay? Why? That's where the critical values will pop up. Tell them that you want 90% in the middle, okay? And I got 90% because you always do 1 minus that alpha. 1 minus 0.10 is 0.90. Hit compute. Those are the critical values. All right, you can come and sit down. Critical values are positive 1.7033 and the negative of it, okay? So I'm just going to have to type it in here. Stop it, Luna. Sorry. All right. That number, comma, but they did say near thousands, so I just need 3 numbers after that. Stop it. All right, that's it. And if I click on check answer, and I think that's all. So now let's talk about the rejection region. We're going to reject the null hypothesis if it falls on the other extreme, like on the right extreme or left extreme. Oh my goodness, stop it. Give me 1 second. I got a distraction going on here. All right, so anything that is on the right side, this white region, or on the left of this negative 1.7, this critical value. So if it's in the red, we're not going to reject it. But if it's in the white, we're going to reject it. So the rejection regions, we have 2 separate regions, right? The one on the right and one on the left. So you're going to have to tell them to the left of this number, negative number, and to the right of this positive number. That's how you can determine the rejection region. Okay, and that's it for question number 28 on Module 6 homework.